little artists! Today, we're going to draw something extra special, a birthday cake. Are you ready to join me on this delicious drawing adventure? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's get started. Let's begin by drawing the plate for our cake. Just like this. There we go. Now, let's add the first layer of our cake. Draw a big, round shape for the base. Excellent! Now, let's add some decoration to this layer. How about some fun lines and curves? Next, let's draw the second layer of our cake. Another big, round shape on top of the first one. And let's repeat those fun decorations. Looking good! Now, let's add the final layer. Another round shape and more decorations, of course. Fantastic! Our cake is really taking shape now. How about a sweet little heart on top?
Awesome!
Now that our drawing is complete, let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our black marker. This will make our cake stand out even more. Now, it's time to bring our cake to life with some color. Let's grab our color pens and get started. Remember, you can use any colors you like. Red color. Yellow color. Blue color. Light purple color. Pink color. Orange color. Lime green color. Indigo color. Dark pink color. Purple color. Well done, my little artist! I'm so proud of your colorful masterpiece. I hope you had as much fun drawing and coloring as I did. Remember, keep practicing and let your imagination soar. Until next time, happy drawing! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.